In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Elevenlabs subscription free dual trial 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start the free trial, what to expect on each screen, and a few tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open your browser and search for Elevenlabs. Click the official website, which typically appears at the top of the results and uses a secure connection. If you see sponsored results with odd spellings, skip those. Once the site loads, head to the main page where you can access your account. Next, log in with your account. On the sign-in page, enter your credentials and complete any two-factor prompt if it's enabled. If your session is already active, you'll be taken straight to the dashboard. From here on, everything happens inside your account area. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the upgrade option. It's usually located in the top navigation or under your profile or account menu. The label may read upgrade, pricing, or something similar depending on the latest interface updates. Click it to open the subscription options. Now choose the plan that fits your needs and select Start Free Trial. Take a moment to compare plan details, such as usage limits and features, and decide whether monthly or annual billing makes sense for you. If taxes or regional pricing apply, you'll typically see them reflected on this page. The Start Free Trial button should be clearly visible on eligible plans. Keep in mind that the free trial is only available to new users. If you've had a trial before, the button may not appear, or you may be directed to choose a paid plan without a trial. That's normal and depends on your account history and current promotions. When prompted, enter your card information and the cardholder name. Ensure the billing address matches what your card issuer has on file, so the payment authorization goes smoothly. The payment form is handled by a secure processor, and you'll see the expected renewal date before you confirm. If your card supports online recurring payments, you should be set. Finally, click subscribe. You should see a confirmation screen indicating your trial is active, along with the renewal or billing date. I recommend making a quick note of that date so you can evaluate the service before it renews. If you decide not to continue, you can cancel from your account's billing section before the trial ends to avoid charges. That's it. Your Elevenlabs free trial is live, and you're ready to explore the features right away.